I've been actually really surprised by the venue. It's such a nice way of having a conference in the cinema.
You come in and there is like, we'll watch a really good movie, but instead we got to watch really good talks.
The event has been great for us. This is what people want to see nowadays. They're looking for passion, they're looking for somebody who knows your needs and actually can get in your shoes.
It's lively. There's a lot of people from all over Europe, and it's a great audience. I mean, I think everyone's just super jazzed to be here. It's an amazing setup.
I like the talks, how it is organized, like the schedule, rooms, what I am looking for in a conference. I think there is in this conference.
It's easy to connect with other people and inspiring.
Straight to the points, very practical sessions, very outgoing attendees, very open speakers. If someone is in doubt, I would say just try it and you will come back years and years afterwards, I think.